In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email accounts to Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have your mailbox connected so you can send and receive emails right inside your CRM, keeping all your conversations tied to leads and deals without switching tabs. Start by opening Zoho CRM and heading to your home dashboard. From there, look for the gear icon, which represents settings. Click that to open the admin and customization area. If you don't see the gear, you may need the right permissions from your CRM admin. Inside settings, locate the section called Channels. Channels is where Zoho CRM centralizes communication tools like email, telephony, and more. Click Email to open the email setup area. This is the hub for everything related to connecting your inbox to the CRM. Next, go to Email Configuration. This is where you'll control how emails are sent and received from within the CRM. If you see an email option within this area, click it to make sure you're on the correct page for mailbox setup. Now, select Get Started. This begins the guided setup process and prepares Zoho CRM to link with your mailbox securely. You'll be asked to choose your email provider. Pick the service you use for your work email, such as a popular cloud provider or your company's custom email. If you're unsure which to select, check with your IT team or look at your existing email app's account settings to confirm. After choosing the provider, select IMAP, OAuth integration. IMAP ensures your mail stays in sync across devices, and OAuth is the secure, modern way to connect without storing your password in the CRM. It also works smoothly with two-factor authentication and most business email security policies, which is why it's the recommended option. Finally, click Configure. A pop-up or new tab will guide you through a quick authorization flow from your email provider. Make sure your browser allows pop-ups for this step. Sign into the correct work mailbox if prompted, review the permissions, and grant access. If you're already signed in elsewhere in your browser, double-check that it's the right account before you approve. Once authorization completes, your email account is connected. From here on, you can compose emails directly from records, see conversation history alongside contacts and deals, and keep your team aligned. If anything doesn't appear, refresh the page or revisit settings to confirm the mailbox shows as connected. That's it. Your email is now integrated with Zoho CRM using a secure IMAP OAuth connection.